Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone issues like stuck on Apple logo using ReiBoot. Just connect your iPhone to the computer, opt for the original cable for a stable connection. You can use ReiBoot System Repair feature to fix the system without losing any data. If your computer can't detect your phone, follow the guide on screen to enter recovery mode on your iPhone. After downloaded the firmware, you can now fix your phone without data loss. If the problem persists, you can try deep repair instead. At Tenorshare, we're here to make your iOS experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for choosing ReiBoot, your trusted partner in iOS repair and management. See you next time.